Most people hear AI and immediately think ChatGPT, but the truth is AI is way bigger than just typing a question and getting an answer back. There are all kinds of AI already working around us every single day. And when you understand them, you'll see how they can become game changers in your agency. I'm Courtney Weaver, one of your hosts of the Insurance Buzz. And today I'm breaking down all the different kinds of AI, but more importantly, how you can actually use them in your business and daily life as an insurance professional. Let's get started. Let's start with the one we all know, language AI. This is ChatGPT, Jasper, Claude, all the tools that generate words. They're powerful for writing emails, drafting social posts, or even practicing scripts. So for you as an agent, language AI means you don't waste time staring at a blank screen. You get faster at creating marketing content, and you can role play conversations before you ever pick up the phone. It's like having a writing assistant in your pocket 24/7. Next up, speech AI. This is the stuff that listens and talks back. So think of Siri, Alexa, or even Zoom's live captions. And why does that matter for you? Well, when you're on a phone with a client, AI can transcribe the conversation in real time. It can catch details you might miss, and eventually it can even grade your performance. Wink, wink. Imagine having every call documented automatically. No more guessing what was said or scrambling for notes. This is actually already happening. And that is compliance training. That's growth. That's getting better. Now let's move on to the next one, vision AI. This is the tech that sees. So this is Tesla's self-driving cars. This is Facebook when it tags your friend in a photo. For insurance, imagine claims photos that can automatically flag or detect damage or fraud. So imagine your customer taking a picture of their roof after a storm and AI giving you an instant read on severity. That's where things are headed. Less time in the weeds, more time focused on the client. The next one, recommendation AI. This is the Netflix, TikTok, or Amazon engine that predicts what you're going to want next. Here's the kicker. It's not just for entertainment. This same kind of AI can be used to recommend the next best product for your client. Maybe they just bought an auto policy. Recommendation AI could be used for life or umbrella policies that people in their exact situation usually need. This is insane. This is a huge opportunity, making cross sells and pivots even smoother because the system is doing the thinking for you. Decision AI, that's the next one. It's already everywhere. This is what banks use to catch fraud. This is how airlines reroute flights. Decision AI is a piece that says, here's what you should do next. It can grade calls, track KPIs, flag which leads are most likely to close. Instead of you having to dig through spreadsheets, Decision AI surfaces the right opportunities so you can act fast. Now, my next one is my favorite. This is Coach AI. Think Whoop or Oura Rings. They don't just track your sleep or workouts. They coach you on how to improve. That's exactly the type of technology we've built into Agency Coach AI. It listens to calls, it role plays with your team, it grades performance, and it gives you real-time feedback. For an insurance agent, that means that you're not just practicing when you get the chance. You have a coach in your pocket 24/7, making you sharper, more confident, and more consistent. So here's the big takeaway. AI isn't just one thing. It's a toolbox. Language, speech, vision, recommendation, decision, and Coach AI. Each one solves a different problem. And here's where it gets exciting. Agency Coach AI combines 4 of those into one platform. Speech AI to transcribe and understand calls, language AI to evaluate conversations and provide feedback, decision AI to grade performance and show you exactly what to improve, and coach AI to role play, guide, and train agents like a personal sales trainer. So when people say, oh, that's just ChatGPT, you know the truth. This isn't just a chatbot. This is a combination of multiple AI types working together, built specifically to make insurance agents better. The agents who lean into this will sell more, serve more, and stand out in a crowded market. That's it for today's episode. If you're ready to take it to the next level and see how Coach AI can transform your agency, make sure you check out Agency Coach AI at www.agencycoachai.com. It's the future of sales training for insurance agents, and it is already here. Time and attention are by far our greatest assets. Thank you for spending some of that with me today. Go out, play with AI, get ahead of the curve, see how it can improve your life and your business with what you've learned today. And if you love this episode, please make sure to leave us a 5-star rating and review. Thank you so much for tuning into The Buzz.